All right, hey everybody. I've got with me Aunt Peggy and Father John Lyons, and Ed, of course, is behind the camera, and then Teresa is here. And we are making some wonderful dishes here in the kitchen today. And this one is my recipe. This was from Mama's Table to Mine. I had one book that went to #1 on the New York Times bestseller list, and it was when I was doing a show called Not My Mama's Meals. From Mama's Table to Mine was the book. And it was chock full of really good, really just simple, honest recipes, and this one is no different. There's nothing here that's going to blow your hair back, but it's few ingredients, it's low in fat and calories, and it's really simple to put it together, and it's got really good real protein in it. It's going to be a salsa chicken salad. So as you can see in front of me, I've got a jar of salsa. This is not sour cream, this is Greek yogurt, okay? Cheddar cheese, and this is a magic ingredient right here. This is a buttermilk dressing mix, the powder mix. And it's something that you can use, or I do use, whenever I'm doing a crock pot roast or something like that. I always put a package on top of my roast with onions and butter and stuff like that. But anyhow, this is it adds a lot of pop and flavor. So I started out with, I think this was 5, I've been cutting chicken for quite a while here. I think this was 5 or 6 probably 8-ounce chicken breast, nice and thick chicken breast. Now this will be however you'd like to prepare them. So you can get however you would like to prepare them. I do a lot of stuff in the air fryer. These are simply seasoned with Teresa, you did these in the air fryer earlier, and you what is it, salt and pepper, or did you do some sort of an herb? Just a house seasoning on them. So, but if you wanted to get fancy and do like a fish sauce with honey and toasted almond, you could do whatever you like. The seasoning of the chicken breast and the cooking process is not the important part here. The important part is that this is a really simple, easily put together sort of dump and stir dish that everybody's going to like. And when you see the presentation of it, it's going to be really light, but it's going to be satisfying. So it's going to be, well, I'm not going to give it away yet. We'll go ahead and cut up our chicken breast. So I'm not exactly dicing it. I'm just cutting it into sort of rustic chunks here, and trying to keep them somewhat similar in size. I'm going to start with my Greek yogurt. This is a pint of Greek yogurt, which I use a lot at my house, and people, for a long time, I've been touting the benefits of Greek yogurt and how much I like it. And the reason that I like it so much is because I love sour cream. Because I grew up with sour cream in our house. We ate it on baked potatoes. We ate it on anything we could put it on. I mean, from nachos to tacos to some salads. Sour cream was just a staple in our house, and I like it, but I've replaced it with Greek yogurt. My children don't know any differently yet. If you add a little salt to it, you can make it sour cream-like, but an added benefit, beef stroganoff. Well, yeah. Now you're talking. Who are you, Paula, Deen or something? So, but you also have the benefit of having the Greek yogurt in your refrigerator. And if you like fruits and fruit salads and different things like that, I will often just cut up fresh fruit and just a big bowl of Greek yogurt with a little honey or whatever it may be, and just toss it together with some like chopped walnuts or something like that. And it makes for a really hearty little snack. Plus you get, you can get them with cultures, or you can get them with, there's a lot of protein. You can get them with a lot of fat, a little fat, however you like it. So anyhow, Greek yogurt to me is a little bit more versatile. This is a kind of a magic ingredient. I love it. And that is the, I think I already talked about that, but it's a buttermilk dressing powder. I'm going to add that to the Greek yogurt. Get it mixed in nicely, and we will add our salsa. So your salsa choice is going to be, your choice. If you like hot and spicy, or if your family does, then have at it. But if you like, I would go with a more mild, for me, salsa. And you can see that's already beginning to, you're changing your mind. See, you were thinking this, and I don't like this. It's not going to be good. Yeah, but you're changing your mind now because you see what this looks like. That Greek yogurt is going to be lent a big hand. Now, if you wanted to add some chipotle peppers or, gosh, I mean, anything, then you certainly could. But we're going to go right by my recipe because it's a winner. So we'll get those two things mixed together, add our cheese. So this is going to thicken it up. You see it looks a little thin right now, but we're going to thicken it up. And gosh, this is one of my favorite things. They add almost no flavor, but that wonderful little crunch that you can, that it's hard to put your finger on sometimes. It's like, what is that? It's a water chestnut. And they're really, really great. And they add to this recipe quite a lot. Needs a little bit of salt. Just a little. Just a little more. Greek yogurt is really good, but it's kind of a blank palate. Greek yogurt, salsa, water chestnuts, a little salt and pepper, a packet of dry ranch dressing mix, my chicken breasts, and it looks really nice. I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to get some lettuce, and we are going to finish this recipe up. So we'll take one quick break and be right back. So our salsa chicken salad, I let it sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to sort of cool and come together. And we're making lettuce wraps. I like to do, you know what, for a little while I was doing my burgers like this too. I would make hamburgers and I would make the buns lettuce. Just trying to be inventive. And gosh, I really liked it. So anyhow, just a really simple lettuce boat. We'll make sure the boat is full. And look how nice that looks. Now, if you wanted to put a little, no, I wouldn't add anything to that at all. What am I talking about? Eddie was just saying this would be good on like nachos. If you were to dice the chicken a little finer, you could put it on nachos. And I thought, ooh, that's a good idea. So voila, lettuce wraps. So you got a lot of protein, nice and light, few ingredients, and a lot of greenery. Those look nice. You may clap. Everybody's ignoring me. They look very, very good, and I think they're good. Thank you, Father John. And I thank you, Aunt Peggy. And I think they're going to be quite tasty, and I think my guests are ready to eat. So until next time, bon appetit.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.